Hi, this is Varsha, advocate from Law Chambers of GR Hari and Indian Surrogacy Law Center. So in this video, we will see about a notification that was passed after the Surrogacy Regulation Act 2021. On 14th of March 2023, this notification was passed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare by GSR number 179E. This notification was also called as the Surrogacy Regulation Amendment Rules 2023. This notification was merely an amendment to a consent form that the surrogate mother has to sign, and it contains two clauses. The first clause does not allow the intending couple to use donor gametes for the purposes of surrogacy, meaning the child should be genetically related to both the parents. Interestingly, this ban for using donor gametes was not part of the original act, that is the Surrogacy Regulation Act 2021. The second clause states that the single woman can use self eggs and donor sperms to take up surrogacy. This notification caused a lot of confusion and difficulty for the people who were not able to produce their own gametes and they were not in a position to use help of the donors. We have moved several writ petitions questioning the constitutional validity of this particular notification on various grounds. What are the grounds in which it was challenged shall be discussed later. Also, similar writ petitions were moved in different high courts and Supreme Courts where interim relief were granted to the couple to take up surrogacy with donor gametes. Similarly, the Supreme Court in one landmark case of Arun Mothavel versus Union of India by WP number 756 of 2022, the interim relief was granted to the couple and they were allowed to continue their treatment due to the medical condition. They also directed the applicants to approach the respective jurisdictional high courts to deal with the matter. None of the high courts actually dealt with the constitutional validity of this particular notification, but they only granted interim relief to the couple based on their medical necessity. This being so, after a lot of uncertainty, recently a notification was published by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on 21st of February 2024 by GSR number 119E. This was also called as the Surrogacy Regulation Amendment Rules 2024. This notification finally allowed the intending couples to use donor gametes to take up surrogacy after getting approval from the district medical board. But the second clause where the single woman, that is the widow or the divorcee, should use self eggs remains unchanged. So after this notification, the intending couples were allowed to take up surrogacy with donor gametes according to the terms and conditions prescribed under the Surrogacy Regulation Act 2021.